Alright guys, today back on this video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make full mode, tell you know how we gonna make and the name of the ingredients them. So I'm gonna turn the camera now and make him do him thing.
Yeah, this a boy make roots drink. This a banana. Red cashew bark.
So we should show you cheap for the people.
Strong bark.
So cheap to the people. Yeah.
This is ginseng. So what's that leaf? Good for your nerves.
So if this what up to people, leaf, we can boil and we can steam. So I'm gonna show you the cashew tree now. Show the cheap for the cashew. Right. Wow, kinda dark, in there kinda dark. Anyway, this is the cashew tree. This? Yeah. So the bark now, you chip it off and boil it. So you can even boil it with a young banana and them thing there. You see me? And them thing for the people, especially man them. Yeah man. Boil them thing here and get strong up. Yeah man, so I'm sure now the ingredients we put tonight.
Yeah, that.
Them you know feed
This a linseed.
and say Irish mash.
Yeah, linseed and everything, you know.
I'm sure the linseed more upper than person. Let me see. So no linseed, that's it. If you see them linseed people, they can't even burn up near wood thing a dragon and them thing there. Yeah man. Very nice. I say, you know, you have to take care of your body, you know. You have to take care of your body. And see for your a catch, we throw it on. So don't forget to give video a like, you know, make sure you like the video. Give the video a comment, the comment down below. Yeah. And tell me how to make phone roots and all that. Leave in the comment section, share the video. Everybody you know, feel like say interested to see the kind of video. I'm not sure say when you share it, just say subscribe to the channel. And even if you don't know if them are interested, say just share it and say oh the channel here, check it out. Yeah man, because you never know. So do that for me at Christmas now. So do that for me as my gift. You know, I spend no money. All I do, I just share the video. And if you don't subscribe it, make sure you subscribe you know. Just subscribe, click all. So every time I post, when I see what I go on. Yeah. And enough more videos like this forward. So just subscribe and stay tuned. And follow me at Jeff876 and Yes Adventures. The link to the page them in the description. Just go over there, follow me, and just stay tuned for what I go on because everything if I post it, I actually put a snippet on it. Snippet on IG. So open IG, you can see what I go on before the video actually post. So yeah. And so you have cinnamon leaf.
Yeah, this is a spicy bush, you know.
Yeah man. So people decide to part with everything. So the drink you make compact everything. Good for your back, good for your nerves, good for your boy, everything. Yeah man. Them juice here. Make you make enough baby. So the next time I'm showing back what I go on, it done boil and just left for sweeten it I know. Yeah. So what is that sweeten it? Milk?
Yeah, man, one Lasco, vanilla, nutmeg.
You hear that? Sweeten with milk and then put your vanilla night, your nutmeg, everything for spice up here, you know? Yeah man, you want it nice. You don't want it flat, you know? You want it nice. Yeah, so I soon come back. Look for cheap people. It's kind of dark now still because sun gone now, we're gonna fall. But this full of breadfruit. If breadfruit tree run here, full of breadfruit, so I don't know say enough for the forward. Yeah, enough for the forward breadfruit and black tree here. My girl say you can see it.
Guava.
Even guava.
Make good juice.
You see there? Good juice. This guava very good for you. The fruit good for you. The tree bark good for you. The root good for you. Yeah man, even if you put you take all a leaf and chop because you want the juice go down your teeth to hurt you. Yeah man. I think you can put it in here too. Even the fruit, very nutritious. You see me? Good juice. Yeah man. The Aki tree you have enough occupant the same way. So country very fruitful and nice man. Yeah. So if anything, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put a little box over here so with everything we guava actually do for you. Are we good for? You see me? Yeah. So I'm gonna just pause the video and I put everything on the screen so you can see big and bold. But guava, very good for you. So soon come back. Alright guys, you see? It's a good one now. See you the juice on the side. Good for you, no? See the rain are coming now. Be a rain for morning if it look bleaky. So soon checking back people. When time this thing are any progress are going, I'm sure no one go on, yeah. So the people right now, it don't boil, so when it cool, or sweeten it. Or sweeten it. Alright guys, if you reach out to so that means I'll make it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, you see me? You are truly a golden man. Yeah, continue supporting. My begging you for me, continue supporting. Share the video. Leave a like, leave a comment down below. What you think about this video, you see me? Share the video and when you share it, tell the person say, you subscribe to it, you see me? Help me grow, please, I'm going to do that for me. Help me grow. Yeah. The roots now, very nice, you see me? You see me? It's very good for you. And basically, I just time now to sweeten it, you know, and sorry me not get for sure when time me sweeten it. Basically, I would do add vanilla to it and milk. Use milk sweeten it, or you can use lasco and sugar, whichever method you want use. You see me? Yeah. Follow me IG Jeff876 and Yard Style Adventures. The link for your page them in the description. So just scroll down, click it and give me a follow. You see me? Because before I post anything on YouTube, I will post a snippet of the video on IG. So if you want to keep up with it on what I'm going on, follow me, you see me? And when you can do also, when you can do screen record on favorite part of any video I do, put it on IG and tag me in it and I just repost it back. You see me? Yeah. So I said before, continue supporting. If you're not subscribed, subscribe now. Put the bell on all. Yeah man. And share it, leave a like and a comment. Yeah, so look more.